Well, we're on our way back to Pakse from Savannakhet. Puna spotted this roadside market. We've stopped in for a bit of a look and just to see what's for sale in this neck of the woods. Here we are at this market, the local pet shop. Over here we've got lots of little bunny rabbits hopping around. They all look happy to be sitting there. And in here, this one's no good. Lots of slithery snakes. God knows how many's in there. We'll go have a look on this side. I don't know what's in there. What are they, BB?
I don't know.
I don't know. Lots of snails and bits and pieces here, and bugs and mushrooms. Hello, what are we buying here? Some big live bugs. I don't know what we're going to do with them, but I presume that someone's going to eat them and it won't be me. Lots of local delicacies here. And some more beautiful birds. You're amazed what you see when you stop at these little roadside markets. This one's a farmer's paradise. Got all the implements and some proper shovels. You don't see too many of those. And lots of good knives and things too. Yeah, a bit of everything in here. See, Puna's up here. We'll go and see what else she's buying. She's stocking up. Apparently they don't have this sort of food in Pakse. What are you buying now, darling?
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Well, I don't know what's wrapped in the banana leaves, but I dare say I'm going to find out. Fair old garden snails there. And there's another bag full of moving critters. What are they, BB? I don't know. They look like super-sized crickets, to be honest.
This name.
Name what? Kilo. Ah. And over here looks like we've got the livestock section. We'll go and see what's for sale over here. Oh, some fair old turkeys down there. Geez, they're looking pretty good nick too. Oh, and some guinea fowl. I think those geese are laughing at those geese because they're in jail and they're not. Well, that's the livestock section. Well, that was the first for me today. First time I've been to one of these markets and seen bags full of snakes for sale. I don't know what they do with them, whether they use them for scaring the neighbours or whether they eat them. I dare say they eat them. BB's happy. She's got herself a pet bunny rabbit by the look of things. Oh, how many, BB?
2
2 bunny rabbits.
คือว่านะอย่างนี้เป็นที่
Đó thì sẽ cả lại.
How much for the rabbits, BB?
Huh?
How much?
2
Khao dai.
อ๋อ
80,000 kip. $8 for 2 rabbits. And they've got fridges in here full of cold drinks. Let's see if they've got any coffee. Yes, they have. We'll get a couple of tins of that. I haven't had a coffee this morning. I'll let Puna do the negotiating. Yes, 2 of those. Yep. Doesn't matter. Nescafe. And plenty of beer in there for the thirsty traveller as well, by the look of things. Puna hasn't finished shopping just yet. Lots of popcorn there for the kiddies. Looks like we're getting one of those as well. Oh, and there's a big grill full of yummies. Barbecued bananas. And lots of seeds of some description, not sure what they are. And some barbecued bananas for the trip. Well, BB and I are heading back to the car with our rabbits and our bags full of delicacies, and Puna's still in there shopping. And BB's sitting in the back here with the 2 new pets. I don't know how we're going to get them in the suitcase to take back to Australia, BB. Cannot? No. We leave for grandfather to take care. Well, that market's done and dusted. I've got a coffee. We'll hit the road again now and head back to Pakse.